Hello dear students, in this particular session we are going to discuss classification of signals and mathematical representation of signals. Each topic has discussed so clearly, so please continue. Thank you. So today we are going to start our new subject, that is digital signal processing. Subject is digital signal processing. डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग. ठीक है. इन दिस सब्जेक्ट वी विल फर्स्टली डिस्कस आवर सिग्नल. ठीक है. तो सिग्नल में हमारे पास टाइप्स ऑफ सिग्नल. ठीक है. कंटिन्यूस सिग्नल, डिस्क्रीट टाइम सिग्नल, एनालॉगस सिग्नल, डिस्क्रीट सिग्नल और डिजिटल सिग्नल. तरह तरह के सिग्नल्स होते हैं, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज classification of signal. Okay, first topic is classification of signal. First term, what do you mean by signal and signal processing? So first question arises, what do you mean by signal and signal processing? A signal is defined as any physical quantity. A signal is defined as any physical quantity that varies with respect to time, space, that varies with respect to time, space or any other independent variable. Any other independent variable. And signal processing is an operation that changes the characteristics of a signal. That changes the characteristics of a signal. That characteristics include amplitude. That characteristics include amplitude, shape, phase and frequency of a signal. That includes amplitude, shape, phase and frequency of a signal. ठीक है. Various type of signals are so in classifications first we will name types of signals, types of signals. First one is continuous and discrete time signals. Continuous and discrete time signals. Second is analog and digital signals. Analog and digital signals. Third is deterministic and random signals. Deterministic and random signals. Next is even and odd signals. Even and odd signals. Fifth one is periodic and non-periodic signals. And the last category is energy and power signals. Energy and power signals. So first in this syllabus or in this course of digital signal processing, we are starting with the topic that is classification of signals. First we will be discussing what are the various types of or what are the classifications of signals. So here the term arises, what is the signal and signal processing, or what do you mean by the term signal or signal processing? So signal and signal processing, in which signal is defined as any physical quantity that varies with respect to time, space or any other independent variable. तो सिग्नल ऐसा क्वांटिटी